Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematisha. So we are going to do straight lines, and in this particular lecture we are going to find equation of a line if we are given any point on the line and slope, or we are given 2 points on the line. Let's start with the lecture. So equation of a line when we are given a point x1 y1 on the line and slope m, then it is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Note that equation of a line is a linear equation. Linear means it can have maximum power of x and y equal to 1. It can never contain x square, x cube, or y square, y cube, and so on. Maximum power of x and y can be only 1. So this is the equation if we are given x1, y1 and slope m. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Let's do example. Find the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2, 3. So x1 is given to be minus 2, y1 is given to be 3, and having slope m is equal to minus 4. And we know that in this case equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 into x minus x1, or y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 4 into plus 2 minus 8. So we get y plus 4x minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. You can also verify whether your answer is correct or not by putting x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3 here. In that case, you should get answer as 0. So let's see. If I put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3 in the answer, so I get y plus 4x plus 5, that is 3 minus 8 plus 5. Yes, it is 0. So by this, it is verified that the given point is on this line. And further, we can check slope also, but how to check slope we will do in the upcoming lectures. Now we will do the next part, that is 2-point form. This is the equation of line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. And it is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Let's relate it with the given thing. So we know that when 2 points are given, we can find slope by this relation y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now you can use this point x1, y1 and this slope and apply the point slope form, that was y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and you get the same thing. Fine. Y minus y1 is m and m is this y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So let's see the example. Find the equation of line passing through 1 minus 1 and 3, 5. So x1 is 1, y1 is minus 1, x2 is 3, y2 is 5. And we know that equation of line in this case is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we get y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. That is y plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2, 3. 3 times x minus 1, or we get 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Again, we can verify our solution by putting these points. If we put x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1, we get 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, correct? If you put x equal to 3 and y equal to 5, we get 9 minus 9 equal to 0, correct? So this answer is correct. Now we see equation of line passing through the points 2, 5 and 2, 3. Note that here x coordinates are same. So it is a line having same x coordinates. So now x1 is 2, y1 is 5 x2 is 2 and y2 is 3. So equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is y minus 5 equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 upon 0 into x minus 2. When we do multiplication by 0, so this will be 0 equal to x minus 2 or x equal to 2. So this is the equation of line. Because if we cross multiply, this y minus 5 into 0 will become 0. So here we get x minus 2 is 0 or x equal to 2. So if we have x coordinate same, we are always going to get the solution x equal to the same coordinate 2. If we have y coordinate same, in the similar way, we can get the answer as y equal to the same coordinate. So that's all for now. In the next lecture, we will do intercept form of equation of line. Thank you and have a nice day.